In this edition of Project Vehicle Upgrade, we'll be taking a look at a 2012 Toyota Tacoma. This truck is decked out with wheels, tires, suspension, and more. So hang out with us as we break this down. Okay, so let's start with the suspension. So we did the rough country 6-inch suspension kit, and here you have the upgraded coilovers, as you can see. And then we have the reservoir that's mounted here on the frame, so you do get the bracket that mounts to the frame, and you can adjust the dampening here. Okay, and then on this kit you have a knuckle, so it comes with the knuckles. You also get cross members, and then you also have your skid plate as well. Okay, now in the rear, we have the shock, your reservoir that's mounted separately here on the frame, and then you can adjust the dampening here as well. And in the back, to get the lift, you need a 4-inch block. So as you can see, we mounted the block there with the U-bolts, and that pretty much takes care of the rear. Okay, so we also did some other upgrades on this truck. So we did the rear bumper, and this is made by Body Armor. So we also did some taillight upgrades. As you can see here, these are made by Spider. And then the headlight upgrade as well, and these are also made by Spider. These are really nice. When you turn on the lights, these little bars light up, nice and white. And then you have the projector headlight with the back background, so it blends nicely with the paint and the black wheels. All right, let's talk about the wheels and tires. So you have the XD, and these are the Grenade Off-Road. And these are 17 by 8.5 with the 0 offset. And then make note, we did put a 1/4-inch spacer to bring these out a little bit. Now XD does make a 17 by 9 with a -12. We didn't want to go that aggressive, so we just went with a 0 and then the little spacer, and that gave us the look that we're looking for. So it brings the tire out right about maybe 1 inch outside of the fender well, and that gives it that good, nice aggressive look without being too much. And on the tire, we did a 265/70/17, and as you can see, these are the Falken Wild Peak AT3, very popular tire. Nice tread pattern, pretty aggressive. Not really loud, but good for both on-road and off-road. All right, since we did the 6-inch lift, you definitely have to do some side steps. And these are the rough country, and they're satin black finish, powder coated, so it's nice and durable. All right, thanks for joining us in this episode of Project Vehicle Upgrade. If you've got a vehicle and you need suspension work, wheels, tires, stereo work, let us know. If you're interested in any of these projects, there are links in the description below taking you directly to the product page. Remember, we do have financing available. Simply add to the cart and pick a financing option from there. Again, my name is Josh. I'm from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching.